Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be reviewing my Mamiya 7 80mm lens. So if you're new to this channel then you probably don't know that I've been shooting with this camera, the Mamiya 7, for about a year now, and I'm now in a position where I want to do a review so I can pass some information on to maybe yourself who's thinking about buying this camera, or maybe if you're just looking to upgrade some of the lenses for your existing Mamiya 7 system. So I thought it'd be quite cool to do a review of the 80mm lens. So like I said, I've been shooting with this camera for about a year now, and if you'd like to see some videos of me shooting out in the field with this camera, please check out my video feed in my YouTube channel, because there's plenty of videos from the past year where I've been shooting with this camera and a variety of different film stocks and all these lenses. I also recently did a review of this camera, please check that out. And also I recently did a review of the 50mm lens, so please check that out as well. So in a second you're going to see a slideshow of some of the images that I've taken with the 80mm lens. Now before I show you these images, I just want to quickly say that I have all my images developed by PCL Imaging in Auckland. I send my film slides and negatives to them and they do a great service, and once they send them back I scan them into my computer myself using my Epson V800 scanner and Silverfast. If you've never scanned film before, or you're just looking to brush up on your skills on how to do it, then I encourage you to check out a tutorial video that I recently put together where I scanned some slide film into my computer using my flatbed scanner and Silverfast. So I hope you enjoyed that slideshow. If you'd like to know some of the film stocks that I used to create some of those images, please see the description section below where I'll provide details of the film that I used. So in terms of the build quality of this lens, the barrel is all metal. There is a rubber grip on the focus ring. It has distances in meters and feet, and it also has an electronic leaf shutter built in. So to attach it to the camera it's pretty simple. You just take off the body cap, put it in and rotate it in, and that's it, it's ready to go. The only other thing that I will say is that if you've not used this camera before, it does have a curtain and you'll need to release the curtain on the bottom of the camera so that you can shoot images. So I thought it'd be quite good to give some specs on the lens. In terms of the f-stop range, it goes from f4 to f22. It has a 58-degree field of view. In 35mm format, this lens equates to 39mm. In terms of the design of the lens, I believe all the Mamiya 7 lenses are based on the Carl Zeiss design. So I'm not particularly sure which lens this is based on. It's either a planar or a sonar. If you guys know, then please leave a comment in the section below, that'd be great if you could do that. The minimum focus of this camera is 1 meter, and if you want to put a filter on the front, the filter thread's 58mm. And what's really good about this lens is it's really compact and the weight of it is only 290 grams. So in terms of the performance of this lens, there's no doubt about it, it performs great. It's sharp at every f-stop. When you're wide open at f4, there's a little bit of light fall off, but that's to be expected on a short telephoto lens. In terms of chromatic aberration and distortion, I haven't seen any evidence in my images of that. So there's no doubt in my mind that this lens produces fantastic images. You know, it's got great contrast, it's got great image resolution, it's great for landscape photography, you know, those type of shots where you don't want too much foreground or skyiny shots and you just want to focus on something a bit more specific. It's great for family shots and portrait shots, and it's also good for street photography. So if you're looking to build up your lens collection for the Mamiya 7, I highly recommend that you look at this lens if you don't already own it. So that brings us towards the end of this review video. If you'd like to see some videos of me shooting out in the field with this gear, or if you'd like to see some other review videos that I've done of my equipment, or even if you want to see some of my tutorials on how to scan film, or even some of the other tutorials that I've done, then please check out my video feed on my YouTube channel. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.